Hello, this tutorial will show you how to use APA's PsycARTICLES database. PsycARTICLES is a database containing abstracts and full-text articles from over 100 American Psychological Association journals. The search interface might look familiar to you if you have used any of our EBSCO databases. First, make sure you are searching APA PsycARTICLES. You'll see the database name right here. First, we're going to conduct a regular keyword search. Let's find information on treating anxiety with cognitive behavioral therapy. Since we want to search cognitive behavioral therapy as a phrase, we need to enclose it in quotation marks. Then we're going to add anxiety. We can either include an and to type the search on one line, or we can use the second box with the and selected, and we could put anxiety down here. Let's take a look at some of the filters we can use to narrow our results. Let's scroll down a bit and take a look at some of the filters we can use to narrow our search results. If we click the full text box, we will limit our results to only articles to which we have full access. We can also use the date slider to limit our results by date of publication. Let's say we only want to see articles published within the last 20 years. We can also use the publication filter to limit the results to those published in a particular journal. We can use the age or gender filters if we want to narrow our results to articles concerned with a particular group of people. For example, we can open up the age filter and we can click this box for adolescents if we are interested in information on using cognitive behavioral therapy to treat teenagers with anxiety. Let's scroll back up a bit and look at the major heading filter. This limits your results to those with a chosen subject tag. As you can see here, we have tags for cognitive behavior therapy, anxiety disorders, treatment outcomes, and a few others. And you can see these subject tags as they are applied to the articles here under the short description, or you can also check the article's record. And you will see subject tags here. Let's go back to the main search interface and take a look at an alternative to conducting a keyword search. And this is to use the APA Thesaurus. You'll find a link to this above the search box. Let's browse for our term using the term begins with option. You can see here that the term the database prefers is cognitive behavior therapy as opposed to what we were searching for, which was cognitive behavioral therapy, which is why it's important to try searching for your terms a few different ways. You can click this box here and click add. And here we see it in our search bar. Now let's search for anxiety. And we'll click the box here. And when we add this to our search, we want to select and from the drop box here because we want articles about cognitive behavioral therapy and anxiety. And now our full search string is in the box here. Let's click search. This search produced fewer results than our regular keyword search because we're searching major subject tags, meaning that each of these terms is considered a main focus of every article returned by the search. Thanks for watching our tutorial on APA PsycARTICLES. If you need help, please don't hesitate to give us a call, send us a message via chat, or email us. Happy searching!